Michigan Supreme Court finally delivered a long-awaited ruling over the state's minimum wage.
Yeah, bottom line, the minimum wage is going up. There are a lot of layers to this story, though, so let's try to break it down for you.
Starting February 21st of next year, the hourly minimum wage will jump to about $12.50 an hour. Tipped workers, like restaurant servers who have typically earned less than the minimum wage, will also see their pay increase.
In fact, by the year 2029, that pay difference will be eliminated, and tipped workers will be making the same as hourly wage non-tipped workers. Also, starting in February, there will be mandatory paid sick time for full-time workers.
And businesses with fewer than 50 employees will no longer be exempt from having to offer sick time.
Elle Myers joins us from your block outside of the state Supreme Court building in Lansing with a closer look at how we got to this point and also what this means for the Michigan economy. Elle?
That's right. This was a decision that was about 6 years in the making after the Michigan Legislature took a ballot proposal and amended it. That's a move the Michigan Supreme Court ruled today was unconstitutional.
Back in 2018, a ballot proposal to raise the minimum wage and improve the availability of sick time was changed by the legislature through a process called Adopt and Amend, which essentially watered down the initiative.
You should be able to acquire and earn 1 hour for paid leave for every 40 that you work, and that should be as universal as possible. What the legislature did in 2018 is they made that a very small number of people who qualify. And what we are saying, and what we said, and what the court affirmed today was that the majority of Michiganders should be eligible to earn this benefit as a way of keeping themselves well and keeping their community well.
In response to the ruling, John Selleck, a spokesman for Save My Tips, an organization pushing to keep the sub-minimum wage, tells me this new ruling could be catastrophic to the industry.
It's just a disaster. That's the bottom line. There's no other way to put it. It's a disaster for servers and bartenders who took these jobs because they know they can make way more than minimum wage. They didn't ask for this. They didn't want this.
Now, Selleck tells me restaurants could close and full service restaurants could be few and far between. Terrence, Shayna?
That would be a major change. We'll wait to see how it plays out. Thank you.